So friends, the paper size for this assignment is 8.5 inch by 5.5 inch, and we are going to use black and some water for the sky. And we're going to show this very rainy day differently. This reference is, as you can see, okay, first I just applied a lot of water. If you're using watercolor paper, you can use water, a lot of it. But if you're using a normal art sheet like a cartridge paper, then don't use too much of water or your sheet will start crumbling. And I'm using a little bit of black to make it slightly grayish looking initially. And then I'm going to use the dabbing technique to make the clouds. Now talking about the reference, this is a rainy season photograph from a window of a vehicle. As you can see, there are water droplets on it, so that's a different look.